Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I am here with an important warning for iPhone users. If you see a pop-up that says reset password, use this iPhone to reset your Apple ID password. Stop! Don't tap allow or do anything before following these steps. First of all, lock your screen by pressing the power button and unlock it. If the pop-up disappears, this usually happens while browsing, so swipe up and close Safari or any apps showing the message. Your next step is open the settings and find the Safari option like this and find clear history and website data. Confirm to remove all browsing history. If the pop-up won't close or your screen is stuck, quickly press the volume down button and power button and hold it until the screen goes black with the Apple logo appears. If it doesn't work the first time, try it again to switch off the phone. If you're worried about security and change your password properly. For this, open the settings in your phone and tap your Apple ID like this. At the top your Apple ID and tap the sign in and security option. Enter your iPhone passcode and follow the steps to update your password safely. This pop-up is likely a scam or a bug. Do not change your password through the pop-up. Your Apple ID could be compromised. Always use the official method through settings. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Stay safe. See you next time.